Remembering the death anniversary of TSF Founder General Secretary late Nagendra Jamatia, today on Saturday the officials of TSF has given a tribute and honor by lighting a candle in his statue at Khorang.
While speaking to reporters, the President General Secretary of TSF, Nagendra Jamatia, said that they are very grateful to have such a great leaders in the past that has achieved many tremendous work, and his contribution for the welfare of the Tripura people is not to be forgotten. Nagendra Jamatia further said that TSF will keep serving for the people under his ideology and will continue the incomplete movement of late Nagendra Jamatia in future.
Chini founding TSF General Secretary late Nagendra Jamatia ni thimani salno chung to khlai chung tinoro boni statue buskango chung bono borom lagani phaleja chung TSF ni ngai chung boni family te boni jotto jaiti gusti te Tripura lukuruno chung chini hamjang mate kha ka hamya phare chung TSF belaina kapal kaha borok ha leader chung makha te Tripura ni lukurogbo borok ha leader kaha manai bathukri ngai dofani bagai samung khaiklang bagai chung belaina Kungcugu, tapi berskangan salot jeng kakai je jeng TSF boni je samung, pailingnya samung rono TSF ni je imang, jeng amo berskango jeng au gai samung klai mangan henai, boni bagai lukur rono jeng amo koinai berskangan salot nirogbu, thai athukir rono mojok klai nirogbu boram rogan bai jeng amo no koinai, nukung rono te waisa jeng hamjak maya far te family rono jeng belai ne kusuk ni boram rogai jeng TSF ni ngai jeng hamjak mati ciba ya far.
Bo senya sekama TSF ni pore bo tam khalang ka
bo TSF ni founding general secretary first general secretary homana boni pore ke bo minister bangka and bo MLA bunglangka sengnanya kangke if I'm not wrong bo 5 time bo MLA salangka te 1 time minister angka boni bagai sing TSF belai ne kungsugu omtai ke sing athukuri sing TSF ni kaisa founding general secretary bo dofani bagai chatingai bo samung khaiklang mani boni bagai jeng belaina tong thokja te boni samung pailenya samung imang rongno jeng TSF buskangni salobu jeng je mansak jeng khayan hanai jeng khakhaiyo
nge tini oro sabsa phaimanjak phaikya
oro chini central ni leaders tongo chini president te chini vice president chief organizing secretary te chini organizing secretary te chini divisional ni sodoris ni executive member bobu tongo boni bagai oro teluk phai tongo chini members rok te chini je leaders rok borono busung sajak borok sok painai te janin jasung sati sogoi jeng bono borom ro lai tong.
Apart from TSF General Secretary Nagendra Jamatia, there were also present the President of TSF, Vice President and other members on this day. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.